Hello, everyone. Welcome to Pear Deck. It's a very creative presentation tool that you just might use in your own classroom. So let me open Pear Deck and show you what it's all about. Beginning of lesson. It allows you to do formative assessments easily and integrate them throughout your lessons in an interactive manner. This is perfect for me because I student teach in a classroom that has one-on-one iPads for every single student. So this would be really interesting using this as part of my action research to gather some formative data on my students and how mindfulness is affecting and brain-based strategies affect their academic achievement. So beginning of lesson, let me show you what this is about. So for example, what do you know about today's topic? So it inserts a new template slide for you. And there's many different slides, like this one right here. Draw or type two things you already know about today's topic. What did you learn from the homework? Draw your dot to show if you're ready to move on. It's a really good way to check in on students and make sure everyone is on the same page. Now, during lesson, it allows you to have assessments, charts, and much more. For example, it allows you to summarize what you just learned. Write down why events are important. Is this statement true or false? To understand if everyone's getting this, to present this in an accessible format for all people. Drag your dot to how you're feeling and how well do you understand what we just covered. Draw or type to label the diagram, and draw a line to write a dot on the line. There's a map, graphing, and there's many other accessible features. So once we do this, let's go back and end of lesson. So there's reflections and exit tickets. So this is a really good way for teachers to customize their exit tickets, assessments, and understand how kids are doing and to be able to have everyone on the same page. And I will show you more about it as time comes along. Thank you.